Have you ever dreamed of building the stunning website without touching a single line of code? It's common frustration wanting a professional online presence but lacking the technical skills. Many no-code website builders promise simplicity but often fall short. In this video, we're going to review this AI website called Typedream. We will examine it closely to see if it lives up to the hype and is truly the right tools for you. So let's get started with the AI website called Typedream. Typedream is a website builder that makes creating beautiful website easy, even without coding skills. And also, its intuitive drag and drop interface lets you quickly build your site. Choose a template for a fast start or customize every details. You can publish your site with a custom domain or a subdomain. Typedream helps boost your site visibility with your SEO tools and offer analytics to track your performance. And now talking about the key benefit of this AI website, it gives access to easy to use with the intuitive interface and drag and drop editors makes the website building incredible, easy and without coding experience. You can effortlessly build your website, and also it gives a customized design and functionalities to match your unique vision, and also it also provide a all-in-one platform which makes it more efficient and awesome with an extensive template library and also a responsive design with the SEO optimization with the seamless integration. And talking about the key important part of the pricing, the offer TapDream offer a range of pricing plan to fit different need, and also they provide a different range starting from the free to the launch to the grow. So talking about the free version, it has a free trial, then the launch which is the intermediate, then the grow which is like a business plan, and all of these are let me call it free. Talking about the free trial part, it is free. Then if you want a launch, you pay about $15 per month. Then if you want a grow, which is an advanced features priority support, which is $42 per month. Then talking about the launch, it comes with a more features with a custom domain and integrations with $15 per month. Then for free, which is the free plan, it comes with a basic website limited and features, and that's it.